Are aftermarket systems reliable? Have you ever wondered if those aftermarket anti-theft systems really work? Let's break it down and find out how reliable they are, especially when it comes to auto insurance discounts. Aftermarket anti-theft systems are devices added to vehicles after they leave the factory. Their main purpose is to prevent theft. The reliability of these systems can differ based on several factors, including the type, quality, and how well they are installed. From an insurance perspective, the reliability of these systems matters a lot. Insurance companies often provide discounts for vehicles that have effective theft deterrents. When a vehicle is less likely to be stolen, the insurance company has a lower risk, which can lead to lower premiums for you. Now let's talk about effectiveness. Many aftermarket systems, like alarms, immobilizers, and tracking devices, can effectively deter thieves if they are installed and maintained properly. However, they may not always be as effective as factory-installed systems. Factory systems are built into the vehicle's electronics and security design, making them harder to bypass. Quality is another key factor. The reliability of an aftermarket system largely depends on the brand and technology it uses. Systems that are installed by professionals and meet recognized security standards tend to be more reliable. These high-quality systems are also more likely to qualify for insurance discounts. Installation plays a critical role too. If an aftermarket system is poorly installed, it may not work correctly or could be easier for thieves to bypass. Therefore, having a professional install your system is highly recommended to ensure it functions as intended. When it comes to insurance discounts, companies usually requiring proof that the anti-theft system is active and working properly. Some insurers may only recognize specific types of systems, like those with global positioning system tracking or immobilizers, as eligible for discounts. However, there are limitations to consider. Aftermarket systems might face compatibility issues with the vehicle's existing electronics. They can also sometimes trigger false alarms or be vulnerable to advanced theft techniques. Over time, some devices may lose effectiveness as thieves find new ways to circumvent them. In summary, aftermarket anti-theft systems can be reliable and beneficial for reducing the risk of vehicle theft. They are especially effective when they are high quality, installed by professionals, and properly maintained. From an insurance standpoint, these systems can help you secure discounts, but it is essential to check with your insurance provider to see which systems qualify. Always ensure you choose a reliable system and have it installed correctly to maximize its effectiveness.